and the spiritual duties of both man and woman in Islam are the same. I started my talk with a quotation from the glorious Quran, from Surah Ahzab, chapter number 33, verse number 35. Innal Muslimina wal Muslimat, for Muslim men and women, wal Mu'minina wal Mu'minat, for believing men and women, wal Qanitina wal Qanitat, for devout men and women, was Sadiqina was Sadiqat, for truthful men and women, was Sabirina was Sabirat, for men and women who are patient and constant, wal Khashiina wal Khashiat, for men and women who humble themselves, wal Mutasaddiqina wal Mutasaddiqat, for men and women who give charity, was Sa'imina was Sa'imat, for men and women who fast, wal Hafidina furujahum wal Hafidhat, for men and women who guard their chastity, وَالذَّاكِرِينَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا وَالذَّاكِرَاتِ, for men and women who engage themselves in Allah's praise. أَعَدَّ اللَّهُ لَهُمْ مَغْفِرَةً وَأَجْرًا عَظِيمًا, for them Allah has prepared forgiveness and a great reward. Just because the spiritual rights of women in Islam are equal to that of a man, what would you say? The women's rights in Islam, they are modernizing or they are outdated?